I put my TP right there, and that's a 1 to 5. And if we make it, then we Gucci. You get me? Aussie dollar, man. We out here. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy omgpips back at it again with another banger. And today, man, we're looking at AUD USD, and I just entered a trade. My trade just got triggered. That's what I meant to say. My trade got triggered right here, right? So right now we're in the trade, and we're gonna wait and see how it will progress. In the meantime, I'm going to draw a structure just so I can see exactly where I need to scale in. And for those who don't know what scaling in means, it means adding to my position, the position I entered here. If price starts to go up, then I'll scale in after it breaks this downtrend line. But if it hits my stop loss, then fuck it, right? Alright, gang, so yeah, man, we're floating. We're floating, we're in profit. Now I'm saying AUD USD Aussie dollar. Right now we're floating. Our trade triggered and we're in profit. Currently we're floating. Wow. Alright, so currently we're floating 1 to 3. You can see my previous TP was too high, so I'll just put my TP right here, just cause price is moving crazy. I put my TP right there, and that's a 1 to 5. And if we make it, then we Gucci. You get me? Aussie dollar, man. We out here.